Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Computer Tips and Programming. So this is the fourth video of your Java training, complete Java training, and this series are going in Hindi and English in both, so you can prefer as you want. Okay, so let's start. And today's our topic is unary operator. Okay, so what is unary operator? First we need to understand this one. So here I have written some points like the unary operator requires only one operand. They perform various operations such as increment, decrement a value by 1 and negating an expression or inverting the value of a boolean. So let's understand through the program, okay, because you will get confused. Basically here what we are doing, we are passing some variables, okay. Here I have passed variables, integer variable 1 and variable 2, okay. These are the two integral variables, okay. And here I have assigned some values. You can see it here. I have mentioned that variable 1 is 30, and then I have not mentioned the value variable 2 value. I have just make like increment, decrement, this type of. You can see it here. I am passing here minus variable 1, here var 1 plus plus, here I am passing plus plus var 1, same like this here var 1 minus minus. So basically what we are doing, you can see it here, we are just passing one value, okay, and after that on the basis of first value I am getting all the values by you can see here by assigning like increment, decrement, these things, okay, one by one I have did this all things. So we will understand all the things by getting the output also, okay. So let's understand. Okay, so let's run this one and understand. Before this, let me tell you what I have did here. Like variable 1 I have assigned, like variable 1 is equal to 30, okay, and var 2 will be like minus var 1. So what's basically going here, you can see it here, to invert the sign of the value of v1, okay. For that purpose we are just doing, we are inverting the sign of var 1, and same like here I have did like post increment. What post increment do? Two type of increment and decrement available, post and pre. Post means it will happen first, and pre means first, post means after that, okay. Just keep in this mind. So you can see it here, post increment store previous then increase value of v1 by 1, okay. So basically what will happen here, it will store the previous value and then it will increment the value. Same like this here also, you can see pre-increment, it will first increment the value, like increase the variable of value by 1 then assign to v2. First of all value will increase, then it will assign to v2. Same like this, you can read it here, and I will provide the source code in description also, so no need to worry about this thing. Let's run this one and check. So run a Java application, okay, let me save it, run as Java application, okay. So you can see it here, 5 cases I have mentioned. As per the cases you can see the value. Case 5, you can see what we are doing, we are in pre-decrement. First we are decrease value var 1 value by 1 and then assign to v2. So first of all what we'll do, we will decrease the variable 1 value and then assign to v2, okay. So you can see here what we have assigned 30 var 1. So what we are doing, we are decreasing the var 1 value decreases, then assign to v2, okay. So as like this you have to understand everything and practice, and just make a comment like you have did it, so it will feel good, okay. And the same here also, post decrement store previous then decrease value of v1 by 1. So store the previous value is 30, okay, and it will store it and then decrease the value of v1 by 1. So we have stored the value here, you can see variable 2 value is stored now, and then decreasing v1 value by 1. So here value decrease the value of v1 by 1, okay. Same like increase var 1 value by 1 and then assign to v2, okay. So here what we are doing, we are just increasing the var 1 value is increases, it's 30, now it's 31, and then assign to v2, okay. So I think you all understand everything, so please do like, subscribe and comment if you are first on the video, and thank you for everything.